Tonight on Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to make Crock Pot Hawaiian Chicken. Now this is a very tangy recipe. Now the first thing you're going to do is cut up your chicken and add it to the pot along with your red peppers and pineapple. Just pour them in there, just mix them all together. This is also a very colorful dish. Now once you have put those main ingredients in, you're going to add a little bit of soy sauce for some extra flavor and mix that in as well. Then after you've done that, you're just going to set it and forget it. You can put this on high for 4 hours or low for 6 to 8, but just let that cook, let those flavors marinate and mix together. Now, the one thing you don't want to forget before you let it go too long is also add a little bit of barbecue sauce. Adds an extra element of flavor that is just great. Okay, like I said, 4 hours or 8 hours, depending on if you're cooking it high or low. Check it. Make sure it's not getting overdone. But then about an hour before you're ready to serve, or before you think it's done, add in some flour or cornstarch and just mix that in. That's going to help thicken and create a sauce for it, and that is just going to tie all those flavors together. So give this a try and let us know what you think.